Hello guys, I'm going to teach you how to download bet9ja mobile on your phone easily. I'm going to teach you. So first thing, go to your Play Store, Google Play Store from your phone very quickly. So from Play Store, you search for bet9ja mobile. Search for bet9ja mobile from the Play Store, from the Google Play Store, bet9ja mobile. Search for it. So this is the bet9ja mobile app, official mobile app. This is it. Click on it in order to install the app. I already installed the app on my phone, so I don't need to install it again because I already have it on my phone. You can check the images, the screenshot of how the apps really look like before downloading it, and you can also check the reviews about people's comments on the app. You can check that also. So this is how the apps look like on device. Once you install it on your device, it has a lot of features. It has bet9ja, bet ensures, Google, predict Z, VIP bets, how to win, easier scores, has a tons, and also have live scores inside, including a chatting section. You chat with different gamblers, collect different people's games, hear different kind of opinions towards some games from people's mind. So are you still waiting? Just go and install the app straight. Sorry for that. Click on the app and I already installed it. So I'm going to open the app now. I've already opened the app on my phone. So the app is loading. The app is not much, it's just 5 MB, not much, just a little bit there. I've opened the app, said click on the download in order to enjoy the full activities of the bet9ja mobile. So I'm going to click on OK. They're trying to tell me that I should click on this download button in order to enjoy the full activities of the plan of the app. So let me check the app. Oh, this app just has downloads, VIP tips, chat room, live scores. So I'm going to download the bet9ja because this is not what I really need. This is not what I really want. I want something more unique than that. So I'm going to click on the download. I've clicked on the download button here. It says downloading files. So I already downloaded it on my system. So let me go to, if you want to know if your app is downloading, you can check it from here by swiping down. By swiping down. So this is my app. My app is already downloading here. So I don't need to, I've already downloaded the app. So let me go to my file where the app is. Where is my file? This is my file. Your phone file. Just go to your phone and search for file in your phone. So I'm clicking on my file. This is my file. Now, where did I download the app? So I'm going to go to downloads. This is download. This is APK files I just installed. So because I'm installing it, and that's why it's reached 36%. So I'm going to open it from here and install it on my phone right now. I'm going to install it. I'll open the app.